Weather alert. Weather alert. Being issued by the operations team for Aurora, Illinois. Weather alert. Weather alert. Being issued by the operations team for Aurora, Illinois.
Thunderstorms will be near West Chicago and Warren Hills around 4:15 p.m. Carroll Stream and Winfield around 4:20 p.m. Glendale Heights and Bloomingdale around 4:25 p.m. Naperville, Plainfield, Hanover Park, Rockport, Roselle and Crest Hill around 4:30 p.m. Romeoville and Homer Glen around 4:35 p.m. Arlington Heights, Bolingbrook and Rolling Hills around 4:40 p.m.
Stay tuned for updates on our social media pages and our brief cut-ins throughout the evening.